in today's video we're going to be making head and tails game. To start, let's create a brand new file and let's get started. First, let's import random to randomize if it is head or tails. So we need to welcome them. So let's say welcome to the heads and tails. Okay. Ask head or tail. Let's ask them, is it head or tail? Let's say string. We don't want any numbers. So let's say input head or tail. Please choose one. I will flip the coin. And then we'll make this upper so they can type it whatever they like. For example, Y is uppercase, E is lower, and then S is also lower. But if we upper this, then they're all capital. So we don't need to worry about that. Head or tail equals to random.randint 0 and 1. And let's say if ask head or tail equals to head, and if they also get 0, then let's say print you want it is heads. Elif ask head or tail equals to tail, and then head or tail is 1. Then let's say print you want it is tail. Else, then we'll print you lose. Let's run this. Let's say head, I won. Then tail, then I lose. Then tail again, I lose. Tail, I lose. Again, head, then I lose. Then tail, then I lose. Let's see if it works for real. So let's print out head or tail. Let's see. Tail, it's 0, so we lose. Head, it's 1, so we lose. Tail, and it's 0, so we lose. Tail, we won. So we can delete this. It works for real. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoy playing this game. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye.